Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, unlatch the side cover and slide it off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Lift the assembly out of the system. Identify the HDD and optical drive bracket. Disconnect the cable and unlatch it to remove the bracket from the system. Flip the bracket over and disconnect the two cables. Lift it out of the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it to the system. Lift the drive up and away from the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back in the system and install the screw. Place the hard drive bracket in the system and connect the two cables. Flip the bracket over and slide it into place. Latch it into place and reconnect the cables. Put the hard drive assembly in the system and connect the cables. Reattach the front bezel and the side cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.